In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an interactive quiz in Notion using a template. By the end, you'll have a customizable quiz that you can share with friends, classmates, or your team. Open Notion and click Templates from the sidebar or Template Gallery. In the search bar, type Interactive Quiz and browse the available templates. Choose the one you like, then click Use this template or duplicate to add it to your workspace. Once the template opens, start customizing it by replacing the sample title, description, and questions with your own content. Update the answer choices, add images or icons if you'd like, and remove any placeholder text you don't need. If the template includes buttons, score tracking, or linked databases, review them to make sure they match the way you want your quiz to work. You can also rearrange sections, add new questions, or change the page layout to fit your style. When you're finished, test the quiz by answering a few questions to make sure everything works as expected. If you plan to share it with others, update the page permissions and copy the share link. If you can't find an interactive quiz template, check the Notion template gallery for new options or create your own quiz using databases, toggle blocks, and buttons. That's how to create an interactive quiz in Notion. Thanks for watching.